Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we insert the dates and time to the same cell. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, to do this, first we have to select the cell. Like in previous video we just entered this dates, and before that we learned how to enter the time, and here we will learn how to insert the same thing at a time. Get it? So first you have to select the cell and use your keyboard shortcut Control plus semicolon. You'll get the date and space, then Control plus Shift plus semicolon and enter. So this is the date actually which is in my computer, and the time which is in my computer running right now. So you can edit it by just double clicking on it and change whatever the time you want. Like here I'm entering 5:30 at PM and enter. So this is the station timing showing here. 5:30 means 17:30. Similarly, if I just wanna change this one like 24, then 24/9/2019. Get it? So you can apply the same thing to all the cells. Just Control plus semicolon space Control plus Shift plus semicolon and enter. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.